Welcome to Outside Office Hours Adventure Cribs. This is our first episode, and we're going to take you on our tour of our car camp setup. All right, let's start here in the master bedroom. I've got a Luno mattress. These come with 2 mattresses, but since this is our solo camping setup, I only have one side set up over here. Got a blanket from Iron and Resin on top to protect the mattress. Got my nice camp pillow. And here, one of the things I'm most excited about, my favorite piece of furniture in my whole house here, is my nightstand / storage case. So I use it to keep my phone and stuff on top of there whenever I'm sleeping, and then got all of my most essential supplies in there for a solo car camping trip in the Subaru Forester. One of the cool things about the Luno mattresses is they come with these pieces to stabilize the head part of the mattress, and it has pockets, so when I'm sleeping I keep my keys, got some hand lotion, I keep my contacts and stuff, everything that I need most readily accessible while I'm sleeping right there. All right, next I'm going to take you to my master bathroom / powder room area. This is a pretty cool setup here. So I've got this water jug, which is cool because it's level, so I can put stuff on top of it. I also keep right here, even while I'm driving around, keep my hand soap in a bag so it doesn't leak, but right there beside the water, so it's easily accessible. I find myself, even when I'm out camping, find myself washing my hands many times a day. So I just slide that out a little bit, get the hand soap. I got the ability to wash my hands. I don't need to, you guys know how to wash your hands. I don't need to go in depth there, but also keep a little towel here just so I can dry my hands off. And then that way, I feel like I'm at least keeping my hands as clean as possible while I'm out car camping. All right, and if you're a little creative about how you organize this stuff, you can keep it pretty accessible. So I have my hiking poles here, binoculars. I try to keep my backpack on top of here so it's reasonably accessible, so I can go in and grab stuff or just grab it if I want to go on a hike. And then the stuff that I'm not using quite as often, like this firewood, I keep in this cardboard box here just so I can get it later if I need it. So I love camping with friends and family, but one of the nice things if you are solo car camping is that you've got a lot more space inside the vehicle. So I keep this whole setup just like this set up even while I'm driving around. It makes it much more convenient whenever I am tired to just crawl in the back and lay down. And I also have, this is my office area. I keep my camera, sometimes some other stuff, sometimes my tripod, whatever stuff that I want to have readily accessible so I can jump out and take a picture of a moose or a whatever whenever I come across it. So just something to keep in mind. Of course, if you're starting and stopping a lot, you might want to secure your camera, but I like having this little pillow. I can leave stuff there and it kind of keeps it stabilized while I'm driving around. All right, so another thing that's really helpful when you're car camping is having one of these Thule boxes on the top. So, of course, you can put all kinds of stuff in there that you don't need immediate access to, so you can keep this space open. So I have a bunch of stuff in here. I've got a tent just in case I need it, a couple comfortable chairs, this Trekology little table, and I've got a bunch of kind of random camping stuff here, some granola bars, some paper towels, some regular towels, dental floss, all kinds of stuff. And you could fit much more stuff in here than I have right now, but you can see it just really opens up the amount of space that you have available to store all your stuff. So I know this might seem kind of silly, but this is an official outside office hours key moose. We bought this thing so that we would always know where the key was for the Thule box. So it's definitely easy just to lose this little key. But if you attach something kind of goofy to it, like they do in a in a gas station bathroom, you're less likely to lose the key. Another helpful thing when you're car camping or regular camping, I have little bottles of hand sanitizer just scattered everywhere throughout, well, my life and my car camping setup, just because soap and water is great, but sometimes once you're all tucked in and you want to, go to bed, it's a little easier just to grab the hand sanitizer than to get out and go to the master bathroom to wash your hands. All right, thanks for watching our Subaru Forester solo car camping overview tour. Car camping is a great way to get out in nature. It's pretty easy to set up your car to do this and just go and be outside with your friends and family or by yourself. So now that we've gone through that, let's grab the camera, let's go get some pictures, let's be outside, let's have fun. So thanks everybody for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.